The rip fence assembly attaches to the front and rear guide rails on your table saw and allows you to make straight and accurate rip cuts. Most issues with the rip fence are the result of accidental damage. The fence can be dropped, or it might be accidentally struck by a workpiece, resulting in a bent fence or broken components. Replacing the rip fence is simple to do, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old fence from the saw. This is easy to do. I just simply unlock the lock lever and then push the button on the top of the lever. Then I can pull the fence back and remove it from the saw. To install the new fence, first I'll hook the rear latch into the rear rail, then align the fence with the front rail and lock it into place. If the fence doesn't operate smoothly, you can take some furniture paste wax and apply it to the front and rear rails. This will allow the fence to slide easily without attracting sawdust and causing it to stick to the rails. And that's how simple it is to install a new rip fence on your table saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.